Welcome to the overview video of Work Orders Management and Wireless Standard POS. Click Repair button on the top panel of Wireless Standard screen to open Repair Module window. The main screen will show you the work orders queue. You may view the list of open work orders here, search by work order number, summary, or customer information. You may also filter work orders by status, priority, or technician name. To see the list of closed work orders, click Round button in the left upper corner and click on Closed Work Orders. In order to create a new work order, go to Open Work Orders section and click New Work Order button in the right upper corner of the screen. In the Customer section, you may look up an existing customer or create a new customer. Once work order is saved, the customer cannot be changed, but it is possible to edit the customer's information from the work order. In the Service Item section, enter the details on the customer item being checked in for repair. Select Manufacturer, Model, Device Type and Color, Carrier, and enter the serial item of the device. And enter the password if the device has a locked screen. You may also select the device conditions. And check if device is under warranty or not. Click Save. In the Work Order section, define the work order details. Enter summary of the device issue. This field is required. You may enter some additional information in the description field. You may also select the referral source for this repair. Select service type to be done. You may specify priority, due date, and time, and assign technician or leave this work order unassigned. There's also an option to add secondary phone and email address. Click Save. In the Parts section, add the parts that will be needed for repair. And in the Labor section, you add the labor items. Parts and labor can always be added later. You may update parts and labor unit prices. You may look up for all parts or labor items if you put an asterisk sign in the lookup section. If a loaner device is to be given to the customer, look up the loaner phone model and select its serial number. To collect a deposit for the repair cost in the payment section, enter the deposit amount into the deposit field. You can collect a deposit when creating a work order or later on at any time. Click Process. Now Wireless Standard Cash Register opens with work order items added. When a customer device is checked in at store, it can be taken to the inventory or not. And if it's taken to the inventory, it will be processed via POS during customer check-in and checkout with $0 unit price. We also have a loaner device information and repair deposit amount specified. Tender the transaction out by hitting Apply Discounts and Checkout button and making payment. You may print out the sales receipt. It will contain the work order information on the second page of the receipt. Now when the work order is saved, you can always modify it, add some comments, and view its history. You may always print out the work order details and labels for it. Click Print button in the right upper corner and select the necessary option. There are two label formats, large and small. You may update work order status not only in work orders itself, but also in the main screen with work orders list. When a customer item is fixed and customer can pick up the device, a sales rep will have to initiate the pay in full flow. Ensure that parts and labor is added to the work order and check Pay in Full in the payment section. Click Process. If loaner device was given to the customer on the work order, system will ask you whether loaner device is returned. If not, the lost loaner fee product will be added to the shopping cart during checkout process. If loaner device is returned and you click Yes when processing a work order, it will be added to the shopping cart as a return item. Besides loaner details, Wireless Standard Cash Register will contain other items from the work order. If service item was taken to inventory, it will be shown in the shopping cart. If deposits were taken, it is refunded to the customer. Parts and labor on the work order will be added to the shopping cart. Now you may tender the transaction. Print out the sales receipt that will contain all the work order details. By default, Repair Module is configured in the way that after you pay work orders in full, they will be automatically removed to the closed work order section. In wireless standard reporting, you can view two reports designed for the repair module, as well as sales and inventory reports to get an overview on your parts and loaners stock, as well as how many repair devices you have. Work Orders Report provides an overview of all work orders in the system. You can filter by work order date and store in which a work order is created. And you may always check the status, work order summary, service item details, etc. Loaner Report displays the work orders on which a loaner device was given to the customer. You may see customers' information, loaners' details, and whether it is returned or not. This concludes the overview of work orders management and wireless standard POS. Thank you.